Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make fake dollars money. So let's get started. You can choose any color marker or a pen. I have chosen an orange. Then you can start by making parallel lines, double or single, your choice. You can even design it as you want and how you like. After making the parallel lines, you can design your parallel lines or the top or the bottom of the paper using any design you will like. You can either fill your box you're making or you can leave it white. Once you are done, you can write a $S or you can make it any currency you like. Then using the scale you can make the line. Then you can write any number you want. I think orange will go with 1. Now we are making a $10 note. For that, I'm gonna take blue, but you can take your choice. Again, repeat the steps of making the parallel lines and design it in your own style. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This way you can make many more currencies. And I think blue will go with the $5 notes. I'm gonna write blue with $5, and that's gonna be it for today. And hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.